Boys, we did it.
That part is close to the wall.
Clean, I might take a photo, but what's up, homies? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be going to Texas Motor Place with Tyler. We're going to be looking at the drag races. There's a car show. It's going to be a really fun event. So enough talking. I'm going to record it once I get inside there. I thought this was an 18. It's not. It's like a 15 and up. Man, this thing is so clean. Look at that rear diffuser delete right here. Man, I'm in love with this Mustang right here. This thing is so nice. Yo, this right here is nasty. This is literally the color that my Fox body was. This royal bluish type. But it did not have this engine, I'll tell you that much. Damn, this thing is nice. Man, look at that real wheel setup right here. Oh, this is too nice. I like this. Slow Fox. Hell no. Hey, right, that this is like the color of my Fox body that I had?
It looks just like Team ZX.
That's clean. Bro, I look so goofy in this jacket right here. Like, I look like a Teletubby in this thing. Yeah, one of the Sith Lords right there. Alright, come on.
Okay. Looks like your wallet class number 5 or 6.
Man, that is too clean. Ready guts. Thing's nice. What happened here?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. Oh, look at that. It sits up.
Oh, that's cool details. I like that. Fast convertible, man. And that's nice.
Got the dark side.
Man, I want to find something that blow my mind. You know what I'm saying? Like something wild. I don't know. Something cool. All right, this one here takes the cake. This is one of the cleanest cars here, in my opinion. CTSV wagon. God dang. God, look at the metallic on that.
Yeah,
Ooh, look at that S95. Those welds are so nice. Should I get those welds? I don't even race anymore, but I just want to get those welds because they look nice. Dang, that's clean. Hey, what is that thing? What is that vehicle called where they carry dead people? What's it called again?
Hearse?
Yeah. Man, this thing looks like a clean ass hearse, man. That's what it is. That supercharger got more lotion than on itself than I got on my whole body right now. That supercharger like daily moisturizes or something. Honestly, this is probably my favorite car here at the event overall. If I find something else that's cleaner, I'll show you guys, but man, this right here is super clean. Right now, we're gonna head over to the stands and record more of the races. Hopefully I can hear me. That Camaro is just loud, but we're gonna go back to the races. Let me record that.
Cars ran through twice. I said, Justin will take those sheets.
This thing is nice. That's a 95. Gotta be pro charged. Yeah. Thing is clean. By the way, shout out to my boy Just a Tubi racing right here. Man, look at the wheels on this. Thing is nice. Man, this thing is so nice. Definitely one of my favorite trucks here at this event. Look at this. Man, I can't wait to see this race. This thing is gonna be fast. Is that your Mustang right here? Is that your Mustang right here?
Yes.
Beautiful, man. I love it. You don't mind if I get closer to the recording time?
Yeah.
Man, this thing is so nice.
Let that car in the left
The
lane
interior on
set
this.
the pace at 40 miles per hour. Right lane, hold the pace at 40 miles per
Shit,
hour.
look at that twin turbo.
Do that. I don't know how else to explain it. I don't know.
Alright, homies, Mustang. Dang, that's stupid loud. But Mustang is looking dummy clean. Battery's about to die, homies. Hopefully I win. If I win, I'll let y'all know during the end of the video. If I don't, it's whatever. But man, I had a lot of fun. All these badass cars, race cars, track cars, whatever. It was just really fun being here. I hope you guys liked the video. Give me a like down below. If you have any comments, let me know. And yeah, see you till the next time, homies. Boys, we did it. Street Car Takeover winner. God damn, this is a real trophy, for real. I can't believe it, bro. And my boy won too. Talk to me. Yes, sir. Bro, I can't believe. Hold this right here. Hold this right here. Let me give me a photo right here. Hold on. Just hold it. I'm talking right now. Bro, winner, bro. I appreciate this for real. Damn, I can't believe I won. Well, I'm gonna end the video, homies. I'm really happy how this event turned out. I'm gonna get some drag racing videos. Hopefully I can put them in the video too, but damn, bro, this is amazing. Like, this is a real, damn, bro, like, I'm really wilding right now. I'm about to cry. All right, catch you later. Boop.